Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer e-commerce platforms with 3dcart easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your e-commerce platform to 3dcart, start by creating your 3dcart account. Visit the 3dcart website and sign up for a new account. Once registered, log into your 3dcart dashboard. Next, gather all the data from your current e-commerce platform. Export product information, including titles, descriptions, prices, and inventory levels. Also, export customer information like names, email addresses, and order history. After you have all the necessary data, navigate back to your 3dcart dashboard. Locate the products section within your dashboard. Use the import tool provided by 3dcart to upload your product data. Follow the prompts to ensure the data matches the required fields in 3dcart. Once your products are uploaded, check to confirm they appear correctly in your store. Now, proceed to import your customer data into 3dcart. Again, use the import tool and map the customer fields appropriately. Verify that all customers have been transferred accurately. Next, focus on migrating your order history if needed. Refer to 3dcart's support documentation for any specific formats required for order data. Ensure each order appears correctly in your 3dcart admin panel. With your products, customers, and orders migrated, it's time to set up your store settings. Customize your site's theme, payment gateways, and shipping options to align with your business needs. Next, test your website by placing a few test orders. This will help identify any issues before going live. Once everything looks good, it's time to switch your domain to 3dcart. Update your DNS settings through your domain registrar to point to your new 3dcart store. Finally, monitor your new site for any issues during the initial launch phase. By following these steps, you'll successfully transfer your e-commerce platform to 3dcart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.